Hello, I am Dr. Aditya Singhal, founder of Numismatics Academy, a new era of learning. We are incubated with IIM Lucknow, Google, Ministry of Electronics, Information Technology, and many more. NAC is an interactive and experiential learning platform that incorporates curiosity-driven curriculums and edutainment games to discover the world without a passport. In short, NAC Edutainment trips, workshops, online event is the powerhouse and the lifelong fun learning platform for all the kids. We organize guided tour of exhibits from whopping 200 plus real currencies from almost all the countries of the world, along with the interactive games like Worldola Discovery cards, memory cards, chart papers, and so on. We have heard about the STEM, and now it is time to talk about the change, the education, which represent culture, history, art, numismatics, geography, GK, economics. That's money matters. At NAC, we believe in transforming our kids into global citizens by making them capable of coping up with the speed of this rapidly emerging world. I would like to share that in the very first year of foundation, we have established 5 centers in Delhi NCR regions and partnered with schools like Manav Rachna, Euro International, Scottish High, Public Schools, and counting. We would be delighted to invite your schools to be part of this great journey to create an impact in the educational system. Looking forward to connect with you to explore the world without a passport.